Hello again, this is Aaron coming to you again with another video review. And today we're taking a look at the Transformers Prime 2nd edition, or I should say, the RID mode of Ratchet. And there he is, in his ambulance. A very nicely detailed ambulance. And you're saying, wow, Ratchet looks awesome. And you're probably wondering, say, how did you get him that awesome? I ordered the reprolables for this bad boy, and it really sets this figure off. Very nice. Got a nice Autobot symbol there on the hood. Ambulance lights. Nice accents on the top. Especially the EMS symbol going back. Nice shiny chrome. Looks like a window. And if you all had Ratchet, he was all plain white in the back, if you do remember. And that was like, wow, what the heck, man. But again, what could you do? But back to Autobot Ratchet. Now, got a nice silver chrome sticker right there. Nice red tail lights. Even has a license plate. You can have different custom license plates on it. They give you 3 choices. I can't really tell you. I can't remember. I think it was like fix you up or something. But you can see Ratchet just a little bit. I can't zoom in really good on that. But you can really zoom in on the detail on these stickers. Very nice. Now this is the original on the ambulance before, and then this stickers here just start running over. Same way on this side. Nice chrome right there, nice shining. Same way right here with on the bumper. Very nice. They even give you windows. I mean mirrors, my bad. If I can get the focus for you. There you go. Mirrors. You can see I have mirrors now. Even got the little orange or red lights on them. Very nice. So, enough talking about his vehicle mode. Let's transform him and see how cool he actually looks in his bot mode. So, first thing I do is come underneath here, and you see his blades of doom. Unpeg these. And if you guys remember, these were plain. Look what reprolables did. They made it nice shiny chrome. Doesn't want to stay on the rubber that much, but that's what you get for having it just sit around. But again, what could you do? So, you got his nice silver looking blades of doom. Set those off to the side. Now back to Ratchet. First thing I do is come to the side here. You want to try to ease off and pull at the same time. Yeah. It's a pain in the butt to get that. There's one side. And there's the other. Grab that. Like so. Come up here. Move this up. Same way with this side. Move up. Split the front. Rotate this around. Same way on this side. Rotate. You want to bring these down. Fix his feet. You want to move this down like so. But you see this little tab. It'll just tab in right there. You just got one foot now, one leg. Do the same thing on this side. Straighten his feet up, tab this piece in, and there you have his legs. So, get my camera situated for you guys. So, enough of that. You come here to the side, you want to pull these out like so. You want to come back here, unloosen this a little bit, and pull out on both sides. Then you want to move the shoulders out like so. There you have that. Then you can move his hand out like so. Wrap this down. And you have one arm. Move his arm out, hand out again. Rotate that down. Like so. And there you have his arms done. Now the cool thing I like is, you just pull this piece down. At the same time, you'll get the head reveal. Very nice. And there you have Autobot Ratchet in his bot mode. Very nice looking now. Very show accurate. So, you can grab his blades of doom here. You can have him hold them like that, which looks stupid. Or tuck his hand down like so, move it in like that, and it looks like it's coming out of his arm. Very nice. I really like it. And do the same thing on this side. You can have him hold it if you want, but that kind of looks stupid. But just put it in here like that. Now you got his nice silver blades. Double blades of doom. So, enough of that. Let's get down to his robot detail. Now, if you guys remember, there was just white here. Now, you can see there's like taillights there at his legs now. Just like show accurate. Very nice. Now, his feet was just plain white. See what reprolables did there? They put a couple stickers there to dress them up. I don't know why they wanted you to put the tire marks there, but right here's the tire. But I don't know what the heck they were thinking, but again, what could you do? So, on up the road. Just to let you guys know, there was stickers to cover this blue windows up. To make it, they were red window stickers. I didn't mind them, but in the show, they are blue, not red. His windows are blue, not red, on his chest. Autobot symbol there, that's something extra I added for his bot mode. Got nice shoulder in details on his shoulders. He got that symbol there on his arm, makes it look nice. Nice head sculpt. Same one on this side. Very nice. And now, this hip piece, this whole piece was like a, I don't want to say a white, but like a dull gray. Now this made this turn very nice color. Even this red was part of it. Very nice. You got very nice detail. You can even see the stickers on the side here. And his plain backpack looks better than ever on the back of him. So, enough of that. Articulation wise for him, he can move his hands all the way around. He can bend there, bend at the elbow, all the way out. Same way on this side. Bend at the elbow, all that good stuff. And his knees, he can move them back and forth without untabbing something. Like so. You can move it out if you want to have them do the splits, but so enough of that. So this is Transformers Prime Autobot Ratchet RID mold, and this is Trans Aaron talking to you again. Don't forget to rate and subscribe and comment on any videos that I upload. And this is Trans Aaron talking to you again. Don't forget to keep a lookout for any new videos coming your way. And this is Trans Aaron talking to you again. Have a nice day.